Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 100. पाहुनिया ते विघ्न भयंकर, बापूसाहेब आले बाहेर, लहानू तयाचा करी जो विचार, दगडाने ठार करूया. Looking at that terrible creature, Bapu Sahib came out, while Nahanu, his servant, thought of killing it with a stone. लहानू दगड उचलू जाई, बापू साहेब करीती मनाई, म्हणती जा काठी घेऊन येई, बरी न घाई ये कामी. Lahanu tried to pick up a stone. Bapu Sahib objected. He said, "Go, bring a stick. It is not right to do this kind of work hastily." गडी जो गेला काठी करिता, सर्प भिंतीवर चढू लागता, झोक जाऊन पडला अवचिता, गेला सरपटा भोकातुनी. When the servant left to get the stick, the snake began to climb the wall, suddenly lost its balance and fell down. Then he crept away through a hole. तेथून मग तो गेला पळून, उरले न मारावयाचे कारण, जाहले बाबांच्या शब्दाचे स्मरण, संकट निवारण उभयत्र. From there it escaped and there remained no reason to kill it. The incidents reminded him of Baba's words, and, as it were, the ordeal was over for both, the serpent and him. असो हा साई समागम सोहळा, भाग्ये पाहिला जयाने डोळा, तयासी तो स्मरणा वेगळा, कदा काळा करवेना. Be it so, for him who has by good fortune witnessed the pleasure of Sai's company, it is a source of joy forever, and it is impossible to forget. ऐस ऐशी प्रत्यंतरे, दावून आकर्षिली भक्तांतरे, वर्णू जाता कागद न पुरे, वर्णन न सरे कदापि. By making the devotees undergo such and similar experiences, he has attracted the hearts of his devotees, and to describe them in words, it would be always inadequate. ऐसेच एक कथांतर, रात्र पडता दोन प्रहर, प्रत्यक्ष घडले चावडीवर, बाबांचे समोर ते परिसा. Here is another similar story. At about midnight, it happened in the Chavdi before Baba. Please listen to that. कोराळे तालुका कोपरगाव, वतनवाडीचा मूळ गाव, अमीर शक्कर जया नाव, जयाचा भाव साईपदी. A certain Amir Shakkar, owning ancestral land at Korale in Kopargaon Taluka, had faith in Sai. जात खाटिक धंदा दलाल, वांद्र्यात जयाचा बोलबाल, दुखण्याने गांजला प्रबळ, अति विकळ जाहला. By caste he was a butcher, and by occupation he was a broker. He was well known in Bandra. He was greatly suffering from a disease which had terribly affected his limbs. पडता संकट आठवे देव, सोडिली धंद्याची उठाठेव, निर्वून सारी देव घेव, ठोकेली धाव शिर्डीस. Difficulties remind one of God. He left the toils and troubles of business, wound up everything, and hastened to Shirdi. कुंती पाच पांडवांची आई, अज्ञात आणि वनवासा पायी, कष्टली जरी अनंत अपायी, प्रार्थी अपायची देवाते. Kunti, the mother of the 5 Pandavas, had to undergo all kinds of sufferings, to reside in a jungle for years incognito. But in spite of all her difficulties, she asked for misery as a boon from God.